mga kaigala, this is Chris Jumamonoy, and if you're new here in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for today's video, we are going to have a product review dahil may nagpadala sa akin, which is the Dr. Smile. So, before that, may papakita ko sa inyong skincare na brand, which is, yan yung ginagamit ko since Monday. Basta nung next week, last week pala. So, ito yung ginagamit ko last week. So, brown talaga yung kulay ko dati ito. And then, apat pala itong box na to. And then, yung isa pa lang yung parang, tas, hiningi nila mami and ni auntie yung yung dalawang soap. So, ayun share ko lang. And then, before tayo magpo-proceed is papakita ko muna sa inyo yung small clip ng unboxing. So mga kaigala, nakita nyo na yung unboxing. So, let's proceed. So, by the way, ito yung i-review natin ngayon, which is the Dr. Smile. Ano nga tawag dito? Bamboo Charcoal Tooth Powder. Akala ko talaga, first impression ko dito, akala ko toothpaste siya na may halong charcoal. So, yun yung first impression ko. So, napadala din sila ng toothbrush. Bamboo toothbrush ito, guys. Ayan, bamboo toothbrush. Ito yung nasa loob niya. Made on bamboo. So, friendly, environmental friendly na itong mga toothbrush natin ngayon. So yun, nabuksan ko na itong isang box. So, ito yung laman. And then, bubuksan na naman natin itong isang box. ASMR. Ayan, pag open natin siya. Tarong! Tarong! So, ayun. Dalawang ano tawag dito? Dalawang bilog yun. Dalawang box yung pinadala nila ditong charcoal powder. So, i-review natin yan ngayon and kailangan natin maging honest kasi baka minus points tayo sa langit. So, mga kaigala, the benefits of Dr. Smile charcoal powder is first, it's whiter the teeth in an instant, and it also brings healthier teeth or gums. It can also freshen our breath, stronger teeth, tartar removal, and it is also a safe and organic. And lastly, it is easy to use for all types of teeth. At ito ang mga paraan sa paggamit ng bamboo charcoal tooth powder. So, the first one is basain ang toothbrush. The second one is lagyan ng ordinary toothpaste ang ating toothbrush. The third one is i-dip kay Dr. Smile yung part lang na may toothpaste para po dumikit yung charcoal tooth powder sa toothbrush. And the fourth one is brush it for 2 to 3 minutes. And by the way, if you are also using this one, please use soft bristle toothbrush and brush it smoothly, and also use mild white toothpaste. So yun lang mga kaigala. And then I think itetry na natin ito and titignan natin kung effective nga ba siya na makakatulong para pampaputi sa ating ngipin. Hi mga kaigala, so it's shout out time. Shout out to GF Aconia Vlogs, Anthony Lasutan, Rain Smith, Spiritu. Shout out also to Mariana Sayaw and to her YouTube channel, Marian TV. Shout out to Rachel Verano. Shout out to CJ Hebertas Montero. Shout out to Renaline Ferrer. Shout out to Nicole Lee. Shout out to Sir Oliver Obligar. Shout out to Reynald Ortega. Shout out also to our SSG President, Ivan James into Mungaya. Shout out also to Rose Danielle Beltran. Shout out to Christine Pearl. Shout out to Harley King. Shout out to Mylene Kinong Moran. Shout out to Sahara Zerani Carsula. Shout out to Iudemil Rabino and to his YouTube channel, Iudemil Vlog Remix. Shout out also to Clark Jans Armero Buela. Shout out to Arvin Montero. Shout out to Jam Gano. Thank you for watching mga kaigala.